What are the benefits of installing a slate roof in Surrey? Installing slate roofs in Surrey offers numerous advantages, making it a preferred option for many homeowners in Surrey. Here are some key benefits. Durability and longevity. Slate roofs can last over a century if properly maintained, significantly outlasting other roofing materials. This longevity makes it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Aesthetic appeal. The natural beauty of slate provides a classic and elegant look to any home. It comes in various colors and textures, allowing homeowners to choose the style that best complements their property. Fire resistance. Slate is a non-combustible material, offering excellent fire resistance. This added layer of protection can be crucial for the safety of your home. Eco-friendly. Since slate is a natural stone, it is an environmentally friendly roofing option. It requires minimal processing and can be recycled, reducing its environmental impact.